Good evening, Junior 4. Here I need to tell you something very important. I want you to write all of this. I have here, when he asked me to approximate to the whole number, to the nearest whole number, it means he wants me to approximate to the nearest unit. When he asked me approximate to the first decimal place, it means, what is the first decimal place? It's the tenths. This place, 1/10, 0.1, or 1/10. The second decimal place, nearest second decimal place, means the hundredth, or 0.01. This is the second place, decimal place, which means 1/100th. To the nearest third decimal place, it means to the nearest thousandths, or 0.001. Here is the third decimal place. After the decimal, the third place, or 1/1000. You have to know and study well that half equals 0.5. You don't need to convert the 2 into, turn the 2 into 10 and make times 5 up and down. You can skip all these steps by knowing that half equals 0.5. Sorry. Quarter equals 0.2500th. 3/4 equals 7500th. 1/8 equals 125,000ths. You have to study these fractions very well. Okay, now we will solve page 58, question 1. Approximate each of the following numbers to the nearest one decimal place, which means the first decimal place, which is tenths. Now, where is the place I want to approximate? It's the first decimal place, one decimal place. It's the first place after the decimal point, so it's the 3. After I underline the number, I will slash after it. Then I will look at that 7. The 7 is push team. It will give the 3 a push. The 3 becomes 4. What about the whole number? The whole number will stay the same. 115 point. The 3 will grow, becomes 4. And after the slash, we agreed it's 0. Number B. The first decimal place, it's 1. I slash after it. 2 is same team. So the 1 will not change. The whole number is the same, 0.1. And after the slash, the 2 will become 0. 1/5500th. Where is the first decimal place? It's the first place after the decimal point. I slash after it. Then I look at the 5. The 5 is push team. It will give the 5 a push, make it grow. So the whole number will stay the same. The decimal point, don't forget it. The 5 will be 6. And the 5 after the slash will become 0. 427 hundredths. Now I have to change this fraction into decimal. So 400.27 approximately equals, this is the first decimal place, slash, the 7 is push team. It will give the 2 a push, help to make it grow. The 2 will become 3. And what about the whole number? The whole number will be the same, 400 point. The 2 will be 3, and after the slash is 0. Number D. 2/9100th. The first decimal place is the first place after the decimal point. Then I slash after it. The 1 is same. It will never do anything to the 9. So approximately equals the whole number, the same decimal point, 9, and that 1 will be 0. 0.9900 here is the first place after the decimal point, slash. 9 is push team. It will give the 9 a push. The 9 will become what? 10. Can I write 2 digits in one place? No. The 10 will become what? The 1 will jump here before the decimal point. Decimal point, and after it, 0, 0. 16 and 7 over 50. What will I do? I will change the 50 into 100 by the multiplied times 2 up and down. 16 and 14 hundredth equals 16 1400 approximately equals, here the 4 is same, so the 1 will stay the same, 16 and 10.10. Okay, the last one, number H, 2469 and 3/4. I have to turn it to a decimal number. 2469 point. I suppose to understand that 3/4 equals 7500. So this number approximately equals to the nearest 1 decimal place. Where is the 1 decimal place? It's the 7, and I slash after it. The 5 is push team. هتعمل what it will do to the 7? It will become 8. So 2469.8 will 5 will become 0.